Welcome back. I'm here to announce that ICE is all up in your house. Um, yeah, I'm back. I'm doing another one. Um, I want to eat some chocolate, and most people like chocolate. Most people don't have a problem with the chocolate unless you're like my nephew that grew up. He didn't like chocolate growing up, but like I said, most people do. Uh, I got a variety of chocolates, and some of them, other than the original basic ones, the Hershey's Kisses, I ain't never had this chocolate before. uh, they got the dark chocolate. I'm not even sure which one this one is. This is, I'll find out when I open it, I guess. Try them out. But I know one of them's like cookies and cream, and then there's another one that's I'm almonds. Yeah, I'm really running and gunning on this episode because changing stuff up. I'm doing it differently. Uh, no supporting cast today. It's just the boy Ice. So I'm not going to use the dice today. I'm not going to rank anything. I'm not going to throw that out there. Instead, I'm going to change it up. Even though I didn't serve in the Army, I served in the Navy, and we normally say "hoo-yah," but I had got this from a general, so if it's good, it's gonna get a, if I like it and it's good, I'll give it a,
Yes.
and if I'm not feeling it, it's getting the gold buzzer. I'm sorry, we flipping it up. So instead of gold buzzer being good, gold buzzer's bad. All right, I'm gonna start off with this Kinder. It's like mini chocolate. My son loved Kinder, and I'm like, what is it that he loves about it? So I'm gonna give it a go. I'm gonna give it a try. I guess it's got like a filling in it. So here we go. Yeah, it has like a malt filling. It's milk chocolate, nothing special. It's good. I like it. My son, oh, that boy can eat through those things. Me, on the other hand, yeah. Yeah, Kinder chocolate.
Yes.
It's good.
Yes.
These are Reese's Pieces Puffs. I love Reese's Pieces. I love Reese's. But the combination of Reese's and a peanut butter cup together, I normally prefer mine like frozen and biting into it that way. I mean, I can eat it warm, but frozen, oh my gosh, I had an addiction. My sister used to sell these for her basketball team, and I had a paper route back then, and I found myself spending all my money from my paper route buying her chocolates. So she never actually had to go out and sell the chocolates because I was buying all of them because she was keeping them in the freezer. Oh, they were so good. It got to a point I was putting IOUs in the freezer. All right, I'm gonna try this one here. I don't really taste the crunch in it. I know it's supposed to, I can see them on the top. It's in there, but I like Reese's peanut butter cups, so
Yes.
that's what it is.
Yes.
Would I eat it again?
Yeah, baby.
There you go. So do a quick palate cleanser. Just drink a little water here. chocolate. Let's see. This is the almond one. Almond Hershey's Kiss. Smells like chocolate. It actually has an almond inside. I thought it was gonna have like an almond taste to the chocolate. No, like peanut M&Ms have a peanut inside. Well, this has an almond inside.
Well, yes.
That's what I'm about to say with that one. That's
Yes.
mm-hmm. I'm not really a nut fan, but like I said, when it comes to like Reese's peanut butter cups and stuff like that, I like it. So
Give me a Y. Give me an E. Give me an S. Yeah.
all right, this one, I think this is the cookies and cream one. Wait a minute. Palate cleanser. All right. Let's see, what do we got here? Reese's. No, sorry, not Reese's. This is the cookies and cream. Looks like white chocolate. It's got decent flavor. It's nothing to write home about. Yeah, that's about it. That's all I can really say about that Hershey's Kiss. It's white chocolate, not a whole lot of flavor. It's hard for me to really give it my really true opinion of it, because if somebody had it, they offered it to me, would I eat it?
Well, yes.
But I wouldn't go out of my way to buy it necessarily. So that's where I'm gonna leave that one. Now we're gonna try this one. This one I do not know, but it's got swirls. It's got a white chocolate and I don't even know what this is. I really don't. I might have to look this one up, because the little strip just says hugs. So I don't know. I don't know if it's a white chocolate and I don't know if you get a good look at that. See, it almost looked down like my shirt. White chocolate and chocolate. Hershey's. It's not a kiss, it's a hug. I can say I will pass on those. I'm really not feeling those at all. They taste almost like the cookies and cream one, but without the crispiness of the cookie and cream, or the cookie, because there's little crisps inside the cookies and cream one. Where this one is just kind of plain. The flavor's not really boosted up. It's just there. Yeah. There's not a whole lot to say about those. If I would really have to be wanting some sweets in order to eat that one. And lucky for me, I got grandkids, so they can eat those. All right, now we're at the dark chocolate. Bam, look at that. Okay. Normally, dark chocolate is the unfavorable chocolate. Normally, milk chocolate's the one that I prefer. But here we go. Mm-hmm. Um, it's not good. It's not bad. It's kind of, it doesn't have a strong dark chocolate taste or that bitter aftertaste that you normally get when you associate it when you eating dark chocolate. So this is one of those ones where, hey, Ice, would you eat that again?
Yes.
So would I go out and buy it? No. But, you know, I guess it'd be good for the holidays.
Yes.
But that's as far as that goes. And I have the good old fashioned, the original Hershey's Kisses. Let's go get into it. This is the classic milk chocolate. Visually, you can see the difference in the dark chocolate. It even smells different too. That's the Hershey's Kiss, baby. All day, every day. I feel like if you're gonna have some kisses, stick with the original. You can't go wrong. That's why they usually bake with them. You find them in the cookies. People make treats with them. Melt it down. Just a good quality of chocolate, good flavor. You can't go wrong. Yeah, that's my chocolate. Although I did get these. It's the holiday ones. It's got the Reese's Pieces. It's got pumpkins, bats, and ghosts. Check it out. So I know they're just in different shapes and they all look the same. I mean, not look, but the ingredients are the same. I done busted the whole damn bag open. I was trying to just lightly pull it so, and then it didn't want to open, and then I gave it too much oomph, and then bam. Now the bag's all the way open. Oh well. Now, I bet you these would be better cold, but I'm gonna eat me a bat just so we can get some more chocolate in the system. Because before I think they used to only have them in like pumpkins, and I like them. They're good, but they give you a lot more of the peanut butter than the regular Reese's. So that's the thing. You really gotta like peanuts, and you can't be like, I got peanut allergies or whatever, because then it just ain't gonna work for you. All right, going in. I know how they say it's supposed to be in the shape of a bat. Well, this is what the bat looks like. Look at this. Oh well. Yeah, I can see myself gaining some weight eating these because, whoo, I almost had some drool slip out my mouth because I'm enjoying these. These are good. Yeah, these are good. I enjoy these. So it's all that. Then some. I dig it. But y'all don't want to sit here and watch me keep munching down on these. Because if that was the case, we'd be here all day. But anyway, the original, that's all I can say. The original Hershey Kiss. All the extra flavors. The almond is the only standout. This is in second place as far as I'm concerned. Second place. And the rest of these are kind of like honorable mentions, with dark chocolate is a strong third. I really wanted to like cookies and cream, but kind of disappointed me. But that's it. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. I'll holla at y'all later. Peace. It's chocolate.